Hello, welcome back. Today I am en route to Dolwyddelan Castle in Eryri, North Wales. This small walk is very picturesque and it is only 5 to 10 minutes from the car park. My god, is it worth that pit stop, guys? Let's go! Follow this walk through some beautiful Welsh countryside, crossing some cute streams where you can embrace some native Welsh wildlife, before being greeted by this wonderful view. Dolwyddelan Castle. Built by Prince Llewellyn of Gwynedd, or Llewellyn the Great, in the 13th century, this castle was strategically built to oversee control of a mountain pass between the coast and the heart of Eryri. Though the castle remains look like ruins, you can still follow the steps up to the keep, where you can enter and learn more of its history and explore some of its best features, such as the dungeons, the fireplaces, and if like me you have the head for heights, go up and take in the views from its turrets.